Breeze, man.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another freaking video. Y'all probably like, girl, why you look like that? So, guess what? In today's video, we're going to be doing my first sponsored hair review. I want to thank Supernova Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm going to link all the information down below for this hair, honey, because it was bomb. It was just all the way bomb. So I want to be completely transparent with y'all. I am improving and getting better at doing my wigs and stuff like that. So do not come for me if I'm doing something that you may not like or whatever the case may be, but I'm getting the job done. Okay, I'm getting the job done. So with that being said, I may mess up on a couple things because, like I said, I'm still learning. You know, I still got things to learn. I did previously record a Amazon unboxing because this is a Amazon hair company. So I will insert those clips right after this. So I'm gonna let y'all watch that and then come back to another freaking video. This is not gonna be the intro for this video, but this video is going to be a Supernova, well, it's going to be a hair review unboxing / review. I'm not going to video how I install the wig. It's just going to be kind of like a before and after how I feel about the wig. So it did come from Amazon. Supernova Hair is from Amazon. Oh, I'll just exit that out. But it did come from Amazon and it came in this package right here. This says Supernova 15099J 4x4 closure, 12 inches. So that's what we got. So we're gonna open it up. Okay, so first things first, it did come in this Supernova purple bag. It is a drawstring bag. I do like the drawstring bag because I like to keep the wigs in there. It says super superb, super affordable, 100% human hair. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, they gave us a wig band. A wig band. They gave us a wig cap, and they gave us the wig. So yeah, it did come in this bag. So you get the wig, you get the wig cap, and you get the an elastic band to hold the wig as well. So okay, so oh, this you. Okay, so it did come. It does have like little stuffing in it. This is the 99J wig, 12-inch bob. And then open it. Not sure what kind of lace this is. I feel like it's transparent, but we're gonna see. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty soft. A little tangled at the ends, but it's pretty soft. So in the inside, you get 3 combs and the band to tighten it, and then this is the 4x4 lace closure. I believe this is transparent lace. So it's not gonna take me long to pluck this because it's so overall the wig is actually pretty nice. I don't know why I thought it was a frontal. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, this is a 4x4 closure wig, so it's really not gonna take me long to install this wig, I guess. So yeah, so this is the color of it. It's not red. It is very, you know, silky. It's a little tangled at the very ends, but other than that, it looks like it does come like in a bob cut. Y'all kind of see that? Like it do kind of come in like a little bob, or I might be tripping. I don't know, maybe the way I'm holding it. But anyways, it did kind of come into like a little bob. But the hair actually feels pretty good. It sheds a little bit, but not that much to where you'll be like it's coming out when you comb your fingers through the hair. But other than that, I'm just like looking at it. Anyway, so that's how the wig looks when it comes out of the box. This video is sponsored, but I'm giving y'all my honest review. But I'm just letting you know right now that the video is sponsored. But I'm also, like I said, giving you my honest review on how the wig is. So with that being said, the next time y'all gonna see me, you're gonna see me with this wig on. So after that, whenever I have it on, I'm gonna give you how it was with the lace, how it was with bleaching the eyes, just like, you know, the whole 9 yards. So the next time y'all gonna see me is when I have this wig on. So I will see y'all in the next clip. So after y'all have watched those clips, you see that the hair was very, very thick. It was really, really good. Just the hair in general. It was transparent lace. Don't really know how the lace turns out because I obviously haven't put it on my hair yet. But as you can see, this is the wig back here. So I basically did everything to this wig. I plucked this wig. I made the part in this wig. Only thing I didn't do was I didn't cut the wig. That's really the only thing that I didn't do. Was everything else. Everything else I did. The wig already came the 99J color. You already know that's like a burgundy type color. So that's what the wig came like. Yeah, like the hair was very, very thick. And usually when you are ordering hair from like some of these like companies or whatever, their wigs, their bobbed wigs, because this was a bobbed wig, it was a 12-inch bobbed wig, is usually pretty thin. But this wig was thick, y'all. It was very, very thick, and I like the thickness. I really do. If you like your bob thick, baby, this is the bob for you. Okay, it's the bob for you. So, but overall, I really, really like. This is the hair company Supernova hair. Thumbnail. Not with this wig cap on, baby. We're gonna do another thumbnail at the end when I put the wig on. But yeah, so Supernova hair. It came in this very, very pretty purple drawstring bag, which I thought was very, very cute. So we finna just get straight into this install. So with that being said, my hair is not braided under this. I did flat twist under this, and I just like push my edges back or whatever. They look real ghetto, so I'm not gonna take this off. But we're just gonna get straight into this install. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip whenever we're getting ready to install this hair. Okay, y'all, so let's just get straight into this install. When I was plucking, I did kind of pluck some minor holes in the lace, but you know, it's a learning process. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tint the lace. I'm gonna be using the Ebon tinted lace. I don't know if y'all can see it, to tint the lace a little bit.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still my car. When weekends, you make me sound the alarm. When weekends, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car.
Hey guys, we are back. Your girl's looking like a baddie. Period. Period. Big purr.
It's giving very much.
Big purr. So yeah, I stopped recording because I was having just a little minor issues with the, I just had to was like, I'm not gonna record the rest of this, I'm gonna just wait to the end. But look at this, like, look at the body, look at this, the transparent lace, y'all. I'm still trying to get into doing my own hair and all of this. So let me know what y'all think about this wig. Like, let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all go check them out, okay? Make sure y'all go check them out, because this look good, period, baby. You can't tell me it don't look good. You can't say it. First and foremost, before I forget, I want to thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. Like, that is it's such a milestone to complete. And I got my my email from YouTube was like, congratulations on 500 subscribers. So it's a big milestone, okay? Ooh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. It's a big milestone. So guess what? We on the road to 1K. We're on the road to 1K, honey, and nobody can stop us. I owe it all to y'all, because y'all support me and y'all help me with these ideas and stuff like that. So okay, back to the hair review. So, but thank y'all, thank y'all for being real ones. Thank you for being real ones. But anywho, so yeah, that's really it for this hair review. Make sure y'all go check out Supernova hair. Overall, this was a quality wig. You are getting what you're paying for, okay? You're getting what you're paying for, okay? I did start doing my lashes, but I kind of stopped because it was irritating me. So y'all probably can tell that I stopped. But anyway, so make sure y'all go check out Supernova hair. All of the things that you need will be in the description box below. But let me know if you have any, whatever the case may be, just link it down. Not link it down below, but comment down below. And also, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. New content coming, okay, period. We hit 500 subscribers, so the new intro will be on its way. It's in the works, okay? So you just be patient with me. It's in the works. But like I said, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next freaking video. Okay, period. Bye, love.